Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Teen Titans Dimension. That's right, guys, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Teen Titans Dimension, and I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to join the Teen Titans and maybe even take down some bad guys. That would be so amazing if I got to join the Teen Titans and take down some bad guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 purple wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur yellow wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your purple wool. Just like that, right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead, run, and jump on up. Grab your purple wool and place 5 of these on this side with 1 yellow wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of a baby pig. Wow, that baby pig got a big head. A really big head. But now you just want to go ahead and place 5 purple wool on this side. And then 5 purple wool smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 yellow wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down. And oh my god, there's 2 baby pigs. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Am I seeing double right now? There's 2 baby pigs. Oh, this one's so cute. I just want to take him home. But now you can just go ahead and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. But now it's time to head into the Teen Titans Dimension. But make sure you guys smash that subscribe button before we head into this dimension so you can stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. But now it's time to head into the Teen Titans Dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my god, guys. I knew this dimension was going to be amazing, but I did not expect it to be this amazing, guys. Wow, just look at how humongous that Teen Titans Tower is, guys. Wow, everything is better, guys. When it's this huge. Guys. Wow, I gotta go inside this thing. If the outside's this amazing, the inside must be even more amazing, guys. Wow, I absolutely love this place. And oh my god, they have an elevator? Are you kidding me? Wow, this place really is cool, guys. Let's go ahead and let's head up the elevator, guys. I can't resist. Wow, guys, I cannot believe I am actually going up the Teen Titans elevator. And what is this? Oh my god, guys, this is actually kind of scary. I am freaked out right now, guys. What the heck is this? Oh, that one's really scary, guys. That one's really scary. Oh my god. If they're trying to freak me out with this room, They did it, guys. I'm probably going to have nightmares for the rest of my life because, because of this room. You know what? I'm leaving this room, guys. I can't look at it any longer. And whoa, what is this? This must be like the evidence room, guys. This must be like where they keep all the bad guys' stuff. Wow, this is really cool. I wonder if there's anything inside this chest. Just my luck. Just my luck. Nothing inside this chest. You know what? Let's go ahead and check another chest. Let's go ahead and check this chest. Really? Nothing inside this chest either? Are you kidding me? They could at least put like a carrot or something, guys. Give me something. Wow, I cannot believe that. But this is still a really, really cool place. You know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and put something in this chest. I'll go ahead and put an arrow. So that way, you know, the next guy that opens it up, he won't be as disappointed as me. Because I'm really disappointed right now. But let's go ahead and let's head on up the elevator. Whoa, what is this? This must be like some kind of gym. This must be where they work out. This must be the punching bag that they punch in, like, take that, sucker, take that. And they punch it all day, and then they go for a run on the treadmill. And then after they go for the run on the treadmill, they probably just sit down. I know I would. I would just sit down, probably for the rest of my life. Because I'd probably be so tired after working out on the punching bag, the treadmill. I would probably just have to lay down for the rest of my life and never do anything else for the rest of my life. just watch TV. That's what I would do for the rest of my life if I did that much working out. But let's go ahead and let's head on up the elevator, guys. Wow, there is a lot of rooms inside this Teen Titans Tower. I was not expecting this many rooms. And oh my God! It's the Teen Titans. It's Starfire, Beast Boy, Raven, Cyborg. Wow, where's Robin? Don't tell me, guys. Did something happen to Robin? No. Did something happen to Robin? Did you guys do something to Robin? Go ahead. Tell me what you guys did. Where is he? I'm going to have to go and look for him, guys. I'm going to have to go and look for Robin. This is Beast Boy's bedroom. Wow, this is really, really dirty, but I do like his bed. He has a nice, jumpy bed. But wow, he really needs to clean this place. He really needs to clean this place. Wow, this place is really dirty. But I still do like it, guys. He got a really nice bedroom. Let's... It's Robin. I was looking for you. I was so worried that something happened to you, and then I was going to have to take over the Teen Titans, and yeah, all that stuff. He looks so disappointed. He looks so disappointed that I was going to be the leader of the Teen Titans. Don't worry. I would have made sure they always remembered you. They would just have to remember me as the new leader. Because you're the old leader, I'm the new leader. But, you know, thankfully nothing happened to you, so they don't need a new leader. You're still their leader, unless you want to give up your job. And then I can take your job. Please give up your job. Okay. I'll talk to you later about it. Right here's Raven's room. Whoa, guys, this is scary. This is really scary, guys. This must be where she sleeps, where she lays her beautiful head. And and then these must be the books she reads. Yeah, she loves to read those kind of books. And whoa, guys, this guy's creepy. This one, all the rest of these guys ain't too creepy, but this guy's really creepy. It's almost like he's looking into my soul. And he's judging me. Don't judge me. Well, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Let's go ahead and see what's happening down the hall. Whose bedroom is this? This is Robin's bedroom. This would have been my bedroom if something would have happened to him. You know, you never know. Something might still happen to him. But wow, right here's his armor. Wow, he's stacked, guys. And whoa, right here's his bed. And oh my god, he has a gigantic television. I so want to be Robin. I so want to be living in this bedroom, controlling the Teen Titans. That's a dream of mine, guys. That really is a dream of mine. But let's go ahead and let's check out some of these other bedrooms. Whose bedroom is this? This is Starfire's bedroom. Whoa, she has a really nice bedroom. And this is just like Starfire, to have 3 sets of armor in case she gets any of them stained. That is just like Starfire, guys. And wow, right here's her bed. She got a really nice bed. And right there's her pet. Oh my god, she does love her pets. She really does love her pets. But let's go ahead and let's head on up the staircase. I think Cyborg's bedroom's supposed to be up here, guys. So let's go ahead and see. This is Cyborg's bedroom. Wow, this is really nice, guys, and futuristic. I hope my bedroom looks like this in 2050. In 2050, my bedroom better look like this, guys. It better be all robotic like this, and it better have a computer. It better have a computer, guys. And I don't know why he would need a TV, because he should just be able to close his eyes and then watch TV in his mind, because he's half robot, half man. I wish I was half robot, half man. It would be the greatest, guys. It really would be the greatest. And let's go ahead and let's see what's on the other side. It better be something nice, guys. It better be something nice. And oh my god, it's a bathroom? Wow, this is nice. This is obviously where they take their baths, you know, so they don't stink and they don't smell. Because nobody likes a smelly superhero, guys. Trust me. Trust me. And then right over here's their toilet. We all know what they do in this. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it too much. I think everybody knows what a toilet is supposed to be used for, guys. But wow, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe I am actually meeting up with all the Teen Titans. I just really wish I was half the man you are, Cyborg, and half the robot you are. Get it? Because you're half a man, half a robot. I would basically be you. I think he got the joke, guys. I think he got the joke. And wow, look at Raven. I just absolutely love her beautiful, white, luscious face. What did you guys think I was going to say? Legs? Did you guys think I was going to say beautiful, luscious, white legs? No, I was going to say face, guys. I was going to say face. Get your mind out the gutter, guys. Although she does have beautiful legs. She really does. And look at Beast Boy. He just looks so cool, guys. Just so cool. I absolutely love Beast Boy. And then Starfire. What can I say about Starfire? Do you want to go on a date with me? Yeah, she does. She does. But let's go ahead and let's see where Robin's at. Robin? Robin? Oh, right there he is. Did you just head up to the bathroom? He just blew up the bathroom, I bet, guys. Well, I just want to say, Robin, I wasn't trying to go out on a date with Starfire. If anybody tells you I was trying to go out on a date with Starfire, they're lying. Because I wasn't. And I definitely wasn't trying to become the leader of the Teen Titans either. So if they say I was trying to become the leader of the Teen Titans, they're also lying. Okay, I'm going to tell you the truth. I was trying to date Starfire, and I was trying to become the leader of the Teen Titans. Please forgive me. Don't hit me. Please forgive me. I think he will, guys. I think he will. I think we can all be friends. Are you guys doing something over there? You guys better not be doing anything. I don't want to see you guys holding hands. No, break this up. Break this up. None of that. None of that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye! Oh, and also let me know if you guys think I have a chance of joining the Teen Titans, guys. I think I really do have a chance. And hopefully one day when Robin quits, I can even become the leader of the Teen Titans. Sorry, guys. I think there was a fly or something. But it's all good. It's all good, guys.